Hey guys and welcome. In this video I will be unboxing the Boya BYBA spring loaded mic arm. So this is the box that it ships with, and it had plastic covering on it, but I took it off, and it also had a seal. I removed it while taking the delivery. So inside the box you get the arm, the clamp, and a bunch of zip ties or velcro ties, an adapter to attach to your mic, a bunch of stickers, and user manual that you get with it. Now let's go ahead and take a look at everything one by one. So here I have the clamp itself, and there is a rubber part in the bottom half of the clamp, and the width of the clamp is approximately 2.5 inches, so it will fit thicker tables. So you can see that it is over 2.5 inches, and it will fit the thick tables that you have. Now let me attach it and show it to you guys. As you can see, the hole is given on the outside, so the weight of the microphone will be on the outside and not on the table. Now let's take a look at the arm itself. The arm length is around 19 inches, but the length of the arm is 19 inches, but if you measure from the screw, it is exactly 20 inches. So as you can see, it comes around to about 20 inches. So the inside length is approx 19 or around 18 point something, but the outside width, which you should be actually measuring from, is 20 inches. So two arms of 20 inches, you get 40 inches in total. So let me go ahead and attach the adapter that it came with. So it came with this adapter, so it will be needed for my mic, so I'm attaching it here. On the other side, it has this stopper come wire channel thingy, so it acts as a stopper, so it won't let the mic arm go completely to the other side. So you can engage the stopper like so. As you can see, it looks absolutely premium, and it is quite large in size. So this is how it looks right next to the cheap mount that I had, this one. So this is the new Boya one, and the extension is quite far as well. So if I can show you guys, this is how far the Boya one goes, and this is how far the cheap one goes. So it's quite far, over 2 feet, I believe. And the length of the single arm is about 19 inches. So this is 19 inch, and this is also 19 inch, 19 point something. So 20 inch and 20 inch here. Overall, it gives more than 2 feet of extension, and plus you have the extension of the mic as well. So I've gone ahead and mounted the mic and zip tied the cable along the arm. You can see that it has this channel as well, and the arm itself is clamped down to the table. So if I go ahead and retract the arm, it stops because of the stopper which I showed you earlier. So this is the stopper, but if I sort of remove the stopper like this, it can go further back, but I don't want that because I have my wall and the electrical outlet. So I'll go ahead and reattach the stopper like so. And here we have the mount, so it has a good reach. So that is the Boya BYBA 20 mount for you.